To play Monoposto with controller, the first thing that you need to do is to open your Monoposto game and then afterwards redirect yourself to the settings options. Afterwards, you will be redirected on this page wherein you will see there the gameplay options. What you need to do is redirect yourself to the gameplay. Now, once you're already on the gameplay, what you need to do is to edit out the settings on your end and click on controls and then click on the controller icon that you can see under the controls options. After clicking on the control, you can now go ahead and connect your controller, and now you will see there the reset options as well as the settings on how are you going to set up your controller of the game. Now you can edit the right trigger, right stick depending on you. Afterwards, you can also edit out the video on which how are you going to control it. If you're satisfied, click on the continue options. After clicking on the continue options, you will be now redirected on the game itself and enjoy the game.